Scene script. Ever grappled with the conundrum of juggling multiple sets of credentials for different applications and services? The hassle of remembering countless usernames and passwords can be daunting, but what if there was a way to navigate this challenge seamlessly? Enter Single Sign-On, or SSO, a feature offered by Microsoft Azure. Imagine a world where you only need one set of credentials to access all your applications and services. That's the magic of Azure's Single Sign-On. But how does this sorcery work? Let's unravel the mystery step by step. First off, the maestro behind this magic is Azure Active Directory, or Azure AD. Acting as the identity provider, Azure AD takes charge of managing user identities and authentication for Azure services and applications. When a user attempts to access a service or application integrated with Azure AD for SSO, they are escorted to the Azure AD sign-in page. This is where our first act takes place. User authentication. The user steps into the spotlight, entering their credentials on the Azure AD sign-in page. With the credentials verified, Azure AD takes center stage once more, issuing a security token to the user. This token could be a SAML token or an OAuth access token. Think of this token as a backstage pass, granting the user access to the application or service they wish to use. Next, the user presents this backstage pass to the application or service they are trying to access. The application or service, in turn, validates the token with Azure AD, ensuring its authenticity and validity. If the token checks out, the red carpet is rolled out and the user is granted access. But what happens when the show is over or access needs to be revoked? That's where Azure AD's central management comes into play. Whether due to termination or a change in permissions, access can be centrally managed and revoked in Azure AD. This ensures the user no longer has access to any applications or services integrated with Azure AD. Finally, there's the curtain call, single sign-out. When a user signs out of one application or service, they are automatically signed out of all other applications and services integrated with Azure AD. Just as the single sign-on provided a seamless entry, the single sign-out ensures a smooth exit. Azure SSO is a game changer. It simplifies access management for users and administrators, improves security by centralizing identity management, and enhances user experience by reducing the need for multiple sets of credentials. With Azure SSO, the days of juggling countless usernames and passwords are a thing of the past. So that's the magic of Azure's single sign-on. It's not just about making life easier, it's about making it more secure and efficient. That's truly magical, isn't it?